Hello guys, here's my fast lap at Zandvoort week 10. Now heading into the first turn of this nice flowing circuit, we're going to trail brake all the way to mid corner. Make sure we use all the track given. I'm going to place the middle of our car on the curb and feel the grip heading into this banked corner. Now we're going to place ourselves on the longer line, on the wider line, and we get very early on the gas and we're going to sling ourselves out of this corner. Now we have the maximum speed heading onto the next sequence of corners, which are going to be really fun. For the upcoming corner, we're going to brake a little bit. We're going to try ourselves to get on the gas very early, like here portrayed. Now we're going to again place the middle of a car on the curb and touch the right curb here. And we're going to use all of the track as you can see. Now trail brake very lightly and make sure you get the rotation in. Take the shortest line, go wide, and now we brake very little as it is very easy to get oversteer. Now try to get us early on the gas and we're going to head onto the middle straight of the track. For the last sector of this track, we're going to literally go to the corner and brake very hard, and we're also going to almost force ourselves a little push on the gas. So with enough speed, we'll go again on the curb as you want to maximize all of the track. Now brake very little, almost kiss the curb, and take all the track again. Now important to know is that I drove this lap time on 36 degree track temperature and 26 degrees air temperature. This is a very high temperature actually, and this is low grip.